I want to show you how to make a circle in our CSS. So I saw someone asking that question online today, and I figured that if I show them how to do that, it's really going to be something really very quick and easy to understand. So I did have this particular boilerplate in my index.html, and I did have a folder that just basically called a circle right here, and I have that opened right here. So I have a div that covers the another div right here, which is just basically the div that I'm going to just turn into a circle, right? So if we open this in our browser, I want to double click on this and you see that we basically do not have much in here. So what we want to do right now is to go to our CSS. So I have a file called CSS and I want to open that up, and I want to do a couple of things in here. Let me just work on the body because I would like to change the background of the body to something maybe black. First of all, let me set a margin right here to maybe it's going to be 0 pixels. Let's just set that to 0, and then down here we can just let's go ahead and then give this a background. And let's say that the background that we're going to just basically use is going to be black. So let's set it to this variant of a black. And then after that, we can just set the color of the text to white. So we can just do white right here. And that should just be it on that. So let's work on this particular ID right here called, not ID, but this div. So this is just basically called a container. We can just take that down here. We can just do a dot and paste that, and we can just throw in a couple of styles to it. So let me say display, and I want to just basically do flex right here. So this is going to be flex, and I'm going to do flex direction. So this is going to be flex direction, and let's set that to column. And after that, we're going to just set the align item, and I want to align that to the center of the web page. So this is going to be set to center. And we can also do justify content to the center. And let's set a height for it. Let that be something like 100 VH. I want it to like assume the whole web page like that. So let's refresh here, and you see that we do have this in here. So we are not seeing the, what is it called, this particular div just yet, this particular circle. But I'm going to just work on that right now. So if we go back in here, what I want to do is to just look for a way to start working on that. So down here, let's do a dot and then paste that. And the first thing I would like to do is to give this a width. So that's going to be a width in here, and maybe 200 pixels will be fine. And we're going to also give this a height, and I want to set it to the same height. So this is going to be 100 pixels. I mean a 200 pixels right there. And let's say, for instance, I want to give this a border because you wouldn't actually see it just yet. So this is going to be border, set that to 1 pixel, solid, and let's say it's going to be white. All right. And I want to save the changes, then take a look at that from the browser. You see that we do have this rectangle right here. So this is just basically what I'm going to turn into a circle that we just basically want to get right here. All right. And if you want to do that, it's really very simple. How do you do that? You do it in such a way that you are going to give this a radius. All right. So if you give this a radius, if you do this border radius like this, and go ahead and let's set it to maybe 100% or something like 50%. Let me say that 50% is still going to work. If you save the changes right here and then refresh, you see that we do have a circle within this particular page. So I've seen quite a lot of people also setting that to 100%. So if you set that to 100%, I think it's still going to give the same thing in here. So let's refresh in here. You see that we still basically have the same thing on this particular page, and it's not really something that is bad. So that's just basically how you can just turn a rectangle into a circle. And notice that we do have, that is a secret in here, both the height and the width are just basically the same. So if they are not actually the same, then they are not going to just basically give you that perfect circle. Let's say that this one is actually 100, what is it called, 100 px right here, and then with refresh in here, it's going to give you an oval shape. So the secret behind that is to make sure that it has the same width and then the same height, so you can actually grab something that looks like a perfect circle like this. All right. So I think I'm going to just basically stop right here. You can take this further to create some other things. So I've used that to create something that looks like this. Look at this, that is just basically spinning right here. So I used something like conic gradients to make all these colors that you're seeing right here. And I'm able to like also animate that. You understand? So take that further to another level and try to see if you can give these different colors, or even if it is the same color, and then try to animate it, and that's just fine. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.